Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk, and I'm here today with another junk journal project. It's Wednesday, and I've done a December daily. Never done one before. I thought although I've been making my junk journals, I've made two, and I've got two more on the go. I thought if I do a December daily, that might get me into the habit of actually doing a little bit of journaling every day. So I've made this. The signatures are tied in at the moment because I didn't want to sew them because I don't know how much I'm going to do. So I'm going to sort of sew afterwards. I've repurposed a book cover, which is the first time I've done that. And I've used lots and lots of freebie downloads. I'm in quite a lot of groups, and they are generous and give away freebies, and some of them are public domain images that I've found myself. So there's a mixture of Artie Mays, Tracy Fox, Carol Tinson, and Happiness in Crafting, and then things that I found myself. So lovely ribbon there. I love this ribbon. This is Stampin' Up ribbon, and I thought it went really well with this book cover, and it's been in my stash for a couple of years now, and I love it. So I thought it's a perfect project to use it in. That's some braiding that I got in a charity shop. That's some cheesecloth that I have just coffee dyed. And what I liked about this cover is it's got God's gift written on the side, which I thought was quite cute for a Christmas thing. But it certainly didn't mean God's gift in this book context. It was full of 70s and 80s sort of heartthrob hunks. So yeah, thinking they were God's gift to women. So yeah. So I've covered the inside with some scrapbook paper, made a little pocket there, and I've got a little calendar there with December on it, so I can tick off as I complete each day. There's a bit of glue there, I might just rub that off. And these are some December daily prompts, which I printed off. I think this was Tracy Fox, and I've just left myself a little bit of a note thing. So I've got quite a good pocket there to I could put other things in. So I'm just leaving that. I'll probably decorate that December daily, and then we start with going through. I can't remember now where I got these from. Oh, it was Scrapbook with Me. And so she did a whole sheet, all different numbers, well, 1 to 31. And so I thought they were a good idea. I think this is Happiness in Crafting. Yeah, so just went through. That's an Artie Mays there. And so they're plain. That's Artie Mays. I shrunk it down to fit what my page size would be. So I've not done anything on these yet because I don't quite know what I'm going to do. I've got ideas of tags. I've made a tag actually that I can use, and I may or may not have shown you the video. So yeah, so I've just gone through. I may add doilies and paper bags and things to this. So I went for 2 signatures because I felt it would be too bulky with just the one. I may keep it like it's fastened in like this. I may not sew it in the end. I liked this bag, and this was what was making me think, oh, I can't sew it because I might add others. So yeah, loved that as a centre page there. Thought that was really cool because that's sort of Christmas Eve, and then we've got Christmas Day. I've lost the one of these. It's got 25 on it. It just disappeared from my desk, but I imagine there'll be lots of things from Christmas. Maybe my favourite tags, a Christmas tag from each of my children, and Ed might go in there. And then we go on to the end. I might put another pocket in the back there like I have the front. But yeah, and then just a simple back. So I'm going to look forward to doing that. And as I do just one video a week on junk journaling, then it will be probably each week I'll just show you what I've done, and may do a little bit of journaling with you on camera. I'm not sure how I'm going to show this, but there, that is it. So yeah, I just think it's a good year to think about December. A lot happening, a lot changes to what we are and are not allowed to do, and sort of missing family and worried that we might not see them at Christmas. And so I thought it'd be nice to sort of document and look back on. So that's why I decided to do it. And I've only done a little one because I don't want to give myself pages and pages to fill. So I've created a playlist for my December daily, and so I will immediately upload the first in this series of how I sort of put this together, and then I'll be adding to that playlist as I make different things. I've already made one little sort of journaling spot here, sort of like a Christmas bauble. Thought that was cute. Probably put that in somewhere. Got Merry Christmas on it. Probably go somewhere Christmas Day. So yeah, so I'll add different things like that for Christmas crafting, which you could use in any sort of journal, not necessarily for Christmas. Okay, so so look to my playlists and see my Christmas stroke December daily series. Okay, see you again soon. There will be like close-up pictures and things like that over on my blog, nigezza.co.uk, and some things I do sell, so you can visit my shop as well. Be linked down below and over in the blog. Okay, bye for now.